Traders, don't let this happen to you. Learn from this story. Hey Will, I've been a member of BBT for almost a year now and have read several books, including Andrew's, on trading stocks. I recently finished my 6th month of DOS Trader Simulator and I thought I was reasonably ready for trading live. I was to a point where I was usually green every day. It wasn't a livable wage green, but green nonetheless. I would still occasionally have red days for one reason or another. I would blow past my max loss, but I would usually end up break even by the end of the week. This brings me to my first day live. In Sim, I was on a hot streak for the past week. I was trading consistently, hitting my daily goal consistently, and managing my risk beautifully. I had the mindset, hey, just keep doing this and I'll do awesome on my first day. At the same time, I needed to do good on my first day. I've always been a person that succeeds at everything I put my mind to. I was positive that I was going to crush it on my first day. There was no way I would start my trading career red. This would ultimately be what ruined my first day. The market opened. I took a position long that I would positive would be a one and done trade. Since I thought it was a one and done, I took larger size than what my risk allowed for. It popped up, I took profit, it dropped down, and I got out at break even. I'm thinking to myself, if I had sold more at where I took profit, I would have made more money. Therefore, I should take larger size, more than the larger size I was already taking. That way, when I partial, it will be more significant of a gain. I entered a second trade long with super large size. My risk was, looking back at it, past my max loss for the day. Once I was in, I thought to myself, for a moment, wait, what am I doing? This doesn't feel right. And the stock turned against me. I got out quickly, and a feeling I had never felt before in Sim crept up inside of me. Paralyzing terror. Paralyzing terror. I was past max loss after 2 trades. On my first day of live trading, I refused to accept this and insisted that I trade more in order to make up my big loss. I needed to trade big size. However, this just resulted in larger losses and I kept losing trade after trade with not a single trade being green. I eventually ended up down $2,200 even though my rule was $300 max loss. This all happened in about 20 to 30 minutes of trading. I finally moved away from my desk and went into the other room where my wife was getting ready for work. I've always been a very composed person around her, to where at the most she's seen me shed maybe 1 or 2 tears. I completely broke down in a hysterical fit of anger and tears. I had horribly failed at being a disciplined trader, but worst of all, I felt like I had failed my wife in my ability to provide a lifestyle which we both dreamed of. I felt nauseous from the disgust that I had towards myself. I felt rage towards my inability to follow a simple set of rules. I felt pathetic due to me ignoring everything I had learned from this trading community. All of this from my first day trading live. I'm typing this as if it happened a week or 2 ago, but it happened yesterday. The feelings are still there. Even typing this, I'm getting choked up a little bit. I've accepted the loss and I'm looking to move forward from it, but damn, it's hard. I used to just want to be green every day, but now I just want to never feel this way again.